Jackson County Emergency Management Agency, Scottsboro, Alabama. Travel is not recommended due to snow and icy road conditions. In addition to snow cover, black ice has also developed quickly on area roadways due to refreezing of melted snow as vehicles travel on them. This is causing a very hazardous situation on many area roads, particularly on the higher elevations. Some of the roads that are being affected include Alabama Highways 71 and 73, County Roads 14, 696 and 314. All roads northeast of Rosalie are being repaired